because he was a little hungry.
Oh, okay. So you guys, what are you guys getting ready to go do?
Go feed the Wendy.
All right. Okay. Let's go.
Go. Let's go feed. Let's go Finkel. Did
Okay.
I actually put it on the sidewalk?
Wherever you guys want to put it. Okay. Go on, Kendra. Go on.
Oh, Santa! Where are you? Oh, Santa, where are you? Santa!
Okay. Sprinkle it all over the yard, guys.
Santa! Dad, you know what? Can we go on the decoration hunt?
No, you guys can't go out there.
But not, okay? Somewhere on the driveway.
Okay.